Feel the mix.
See what you got in store. Giving it your all when you're dancing on me. I wanna see if you can give me some more. Ela tá curi ne Ludhiana vi ni tappe. Ela tá curi ne Ludhiana vi ni tappe. Mujhe pe na karo baat पैर भी नहीं रखे. कतो दी मैडम जी शहर विच आई बस पार्टी. Saturday.
सब पे अपना राज है, करने की क्या बात है, ये तो बस शुरुआत है, ये तो बस शुरुआत है।
अरे अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है। पीने के मरते हैं हम रोज मरते हैं जीना है आज की रात करते हैं मन मर्जी करते हैं पीने के बाद दिल का कबूतर खुला सान हो गया जंगल में कांड हो गया ने गजब किया, दिल को कलंदर किया। हीरो ने जीने दे है तालाबों को झूठे समंदर किया। तन्हाई के बनने से सीधा तेरी रनवे पे उड़न खटोला दिल का लैंड हो गया। जंगल में जंगल में जंगल में जंगल में जंगल में कांड हो गया।
जिसने भी पार्टी है करनी आ जाओ मेरे घर के भीतर। दारू पीकर खाने को है मुर्गा भीतर। नोएडा गुड़गांव दिल्ली की छोरियां आई हैं, साथ में यो की सीढ़ियां भी लाई हैं। सवारी सामान की अब खुद जिम्मेदार है। कर लो पार्टी सारी रात, कल इतवार है। म्यूजिक बजेगा लाउड तो आंटी पुलिस बुला लेगी। अब आंटी ने जाके कह दो ये पार्टी यूं ही चलेगी। Party all night, party all night, party all night, पीरू party all night। आंटी पुलिस बुला लेगी, आंटी पुलिस बुला लेगी, आंटी पुलिस बुला लेगी, आंटी पुलिस बुला लेगी। सारी दुनिया खा लो, जितना भी तुम शोर मचा लो, करेंगे पार्टी सारी रात। में तो बंद करवा लो। चला कुल्लड़ को, शारू शारू कुल्लड़ को, जिसकी का बैग लगा के सारी दुनिया कुल्लड़ जाओ। बजाते रहो सबकी, बजाते रहो सबकी, बजाते रहो सबकी, बजाते रहो। Party all night, party all night, party all night, पीरू party all night। पीरू party all night।
लकीरें न बाहरे, इश्क में हद होती नहीं। इतना बेहद होता है कि ये फितूरी घटती नहीं। हो जाना है एक बात तेरी रूह के पार, मैं तो रह के किनारे पे पके ना। ओ तेरा चेहरा तुम्हार तेरे बिन मेरे यार, इस जग में नहीं कुछ रखे तुमसे ही है आबादियाँ, तुमसे ही है। अब क्या गलत और क्या सही, कब तुमसे ही है।
ब्यूटीफुल कर गई कर गई कर गई
Okay, let's go.
कर गई।
सावला हुआ बावला, लड़की नहीं है तू है गरम मामला, बोलती बंद मेरी कहूँ क्या भला, कुछ भी कहा नहीं जाए। चन्नई तो दिल्ली हिले है लंदन, मटक मटक जैसे रवीना टंडन। चन्नई तो दिल्ली हिले है लंदन, मटक मटक जैसे रवीना टंडन। आग लगाने आई है लंदन, गोड़ी चल गई भाई करे बिलाती, ईगो में रहती नगरे बिलाती, ईगो में रहती टेंशन दिखाती फुल।
लड़की ब्यूटीफुल कर गई चीटिंग।
सनसेट है भाई तेरा फुल सेट है, मोशन भी देखो मेरा बनने लगा। देखो तो हसीना को वाना भी करीना को, ठुमको का फीवर है चढ़ने लगा। थोड़ा हार्ड सा होके थोड़ा जेंटल सा होके, थोड़ा सेंटी सा होके थोड़ा मेंटल सा होके, सारे 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 सारे। Let's not you.
Shruti, and I'm going to be your anchor for the evening. I am so excited for this event that's going to be filled with performances, speeches, pictures, cake, food, and of course, being able to sing happy birthday to our beautiful birthday girl, Ishika. The two of us have known each other since we were very young girls, and I'm grateful to be speaking for her birthday. So without further ado, let us begin with a few speeches from Ishika's friends, and I'd like to first call up Riya and Anusha.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want to take a moment to talk about my best friend, the person who's not just effortlessly beautiful and ridiculously stylish, but has also been by my side since 4th grade, Ishika. We spent our entire childhood running around the neighborhood, coming up with the most ridiculous games. We didn't need much to have fun, just each other and our endless imagination. Now fast forward a few years, and she's grown into the same amazing, only now she's grown into someone who lights up every room she walks into. She's gorgeous, stylish, and her heart as beautiful as a smile, which she should do more. Here's to my best friend since 4th grade, my partner in childhood chaos, and my lifelong source of inspiration. I'm so lucky to have you. Thank you.
Ishika, when we first met, I knew we'd be friends forever. It was fate. Or maybe it was because we were stuck in Miss Anilowski's class. But who knew that that moment would kick off years of inside jokes, late night phone calls, and more embarrassing photos than we cared to admit. You're the friend who would drop everything just to help me out. And I mean reminding me to do my friendship work on the bus. Tonight, we're celebrating you because you deserve it. You deserve the love, laughter, and happiness coming your way. You're the combination of chaotic and caring. You're the friend who will laugh at my misfortunes, but also help me out. Jokes aside, Ishika, you're one of a kind. You're the kind of person who brings joy everywhere you go, whether it's making a silly face in a serious situation or telling a joke that only you think is funny. You always find a way to make everyone smile. You make every day feel like a celebration, even when it's just a random Tuesday and we're both procrastinating on our homework. May your 16th year be filled with endless laughter, boundless love, and countless new adventures. I'm beyond grateful to have you in my life. Happy 16th birthday, Ishika.
Of her friends, Shreya and Sarah. Sarah. Sorry.
Good evening, everyone. Tonight, we're celebrating the sweet, hilarious, and stunning Ishika, the girl who has somehow made being tall my entire personality. Seriously, every time I see her, it's like she's auditioning for a stand-up special called Roasting Tall People 101. From, do you get nosebleeds up there, to, can you touch the clouds? She never misses an opportunity to remind me that every single problem, whether it be hers or mine, is somehow because of my height. But honestly, I wouldn't trade her teasing for anything. It's her way of making every moment with her feel lighthearted and full of laughter. Beyond the jokes, Ishika is one of the most genuine people I know. She's the perfect mix of sweet and sassy. Someone who makes fun of our friends so cleverly that even they end up laughing. But she's also the person who's always there when it counts. Whether she's making you laugh until your sides hurt, or just showing up when you need her most, she's the kind of friend everyone deserves, but few are lucky enough to have. So here's to Ishika Kundru, the queen of comedy, beauty, and kindness. Happy Sweet 16.
Good evening. I'm so happy to celebrate Ishika's Sweet 16 today. I know this speech won't sum up all the beautiful parts of Ishika throughout these past 16 years, but I'm going to try my best. Ishika, I've known you for a long time, and I've had the privilege of watching you grow into an amazing person that you are today. I love the way we clicked back in 7th grade. Your bright and approachable personality even made cross-country enjoyable. You've always been so supportive, and I know you'll have my back. You make every moment special. I have so many unforgettable memories with the amazing person that you are, like skipping cross-country warm-ups and playing violin with you every morning in middle school. No matter how much time passes by, I hope you know that I will always be by your side. So have the best Sweet 16 and enjoy the next year.
Thank you, girls, for those beautiful speeches. And now it's my turn. So hi, everyone. I know I've already spoken a lot tonight, but I'm glad to be speaking again to wish our birthday girl, Ishika, again. The two of us have grown together since our time in Arlington Heights apartments when she was a shy, quiet baby, and I was a quite active 4-year-old. Over this past decade and a half, our families have moved suburbs, and we have grown from preschoolers to now a Sweet 16. Ishika, I am glad to have shared so many memories of family dinners, Blackwell Forest picnics, and hikes, poker games, snowstorm pictures, and most recently, dance practices. I'm so excited to experience more of life together, and I wish you a very sweet 16th birthday. And now we have her last 3 friends who will be speaking tonight, Katyayani, Raj, and Anushka. So please welcome them on to the stage.
In last year PE, second semester, we got really close because of that and because of tennis. Ishika really made everything more fun. I love when she's around. She always makes me laugh. We would always talk about everything from serious to funny, and it's always a party when she's around. I'm so happy for Ishika because she's actually so smart and talented, and she's so sweet. She manages Model UN, tennis, and academics. Anyway, you look gorgeous today, and I wish you a very happy Sweet 16. Thank you.
Rajeshwari, and I've known Ishika since middle school. Honestly, I can't remember how we've met, but I do know that Ishika is one of the most caring and strongest people I know. She will listen to me rant about practically anything, even if I'll rip her ear off. And I am convinced that you cannot tell this girl she can't do something, because she'll prove you wrong, whether that's running in the cold for 2 miles or waking up at 6 a.m. in the summer to improve her skills in a new sport. Honestly, whenever she's in a room, I can't take my eyes off of her and her beauty. And it's not only because of her stunning fashion sense, but it's also because her aura itself, whenever she's dancing or just talking to someone, it radiates anything from compassion to unwavering determination. And that's what I love about her. I've spent some time thinking of an analogy of what I can compare Ishika to. And I ran through flowers, probably soda, but I settled on a diamond because Ishika is unbreakable, and she's like a diamond you can't take your eyes off of. She'll have your back even when no one's watching, and I guarantee you'll never see her cry. She'll be the first one who will remind you of strength when you do. And so, thank you, Ishika, for being my friend and for shining like a diamond, even in the dark when no one's watching. I'm so thankful to be a part of your life, and you being my friend is the greatest thing I could have asked for. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Anushka, and I've had the pleasure of knowing Ishika for 6 years now. And we met through a mutual friend, but like everyone else in elementary school, I was just glad to have another girl to play with in the playground. But what I really wanted to talk about today was the reasons why I adore Ishika, both through quality traits and fashionably. Like, let me tell you, I managed to wake up consistently a good 20 minutes after my alarm with just enough time to wear the same hoodie and leggings for the 3rd time that week. But Ishika, oh, she every day comes with the most stylish, fashionista, gorgeous looking outfits and somehow looks so put together at 7:30 in the morning. And am I wrong? Just look at her today. She looks so gorgeous. So give it up for her. And we had honors bio last year, so I'm pretty sure the mitochondria became the powerhouse of the cell just to raise her up. Have you seen how she does her nails as well? She gives all those salons a serious run for their money. I mean, seriously. But what I really love about Ishika is her kindness. Even when we didn't have classes together or didn't hang out as much, she never failed to still keep in touch with me and included me in everything she does. She let me in on all the inside jokes, invited me to absolutely everything, and is the most inclusive and amazing friend that anyone can ask for. So from last minute studying before bio in the science hallway, to stressing out in the bus before Model UN conferences, and just having hilarious fun, Ishika, I am so lucky to have a friend like you. And everyone needs a friend like Ishika in their life. So I hope our bond only grows stronger as you gradually leave girlhood. But most of all, thank you so much for being my friend and playing with me on the playground.
Thank you to everyone who gave a speech for Ishika today and helping us get to know a little bit more about her. So we will be back after a short break. Ishika is going to head upstairs, and then after she's back, we will resume with cake cutting. And thank you, everyone. And dinner will be open soon, if not now. So yeah, please enjoy yourself, or help yourself. Yeah.
बड़ी दीवानी धीरे धीरे बन जाए ना कोई कहानी देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी धीरे धीरे बन जाए ना कोई कहानी दिल पर है दिलकश है दिलदार नजारे हैं आज ज़मीं पर कितने सितारे हैं अगलो होश नमी दानम हम हैं दिल है और जानम बस दीवानगी 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 है ना कोई रहसन ना रहबर ये इल्जाम लगे किस पर बस दीवानगी 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 है All the hot girls put your hands up and say Om Shanti
All the cool boys, come on, make some noise and say Om Shanti
शाम गजब की हंगामा खेज है
इसका नशा ही गहरा है तेज है
शाम गजब की हंगामा खेज है
इसका नशा ही गहरा है तेज है
जुल्फ खुली है रेशम रेशम
सांस खुली है मध्यम मध्यम
ये तो इशारे हैं अकलो होश नमी दानम हम हैं दिल है और जानम बस दीवानगी 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 है ना कोई रहसन ना रहबर ये इल्जाम लगे किस पर बस दीवानगी 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 है All the hot girls put your hands up and say Om Shanti
All the cool boys, come on, make some noise and say Om Shanti
All the hot girls put your hands up and say Om Shanti
All the cool boys, come on, make some noise and say Om Shanti
कहने को वैसे तो सारा सुकून है फिर भी ये दिल है कि इसको जुनून है कहने को वैसे तो सारा सुकून है फिर भी ये दिल है कि इसको जुनून है
पलको ख्वाब सजा दे इसको उसको सबको बता दे
राज जो सारे हैं अगलो होश नमी दानम हम हैं दिल है और जानम बस दीवानगी 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 है ना कोई रहसन ना रहबर ये इल्जाम लगे किस पर बस दीवानगी 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 है All the hot girls put your hands up and say Om Shanti
All the cool boys, come on, make some
Basically, we're going to be doing cake cutting, as you all probably have noticed, but we're going to have Ishka light the candles, her 16 candles for her 16th birthday, and she's going to give a short speech for everyone.
It's a pleasure to have you all here today, and I'm going to be lighting candles to honor everyone today and dedicate it to all of you. First up, we're going to have my dad, who's going to light this candle with me, and I'm going to give a short speech.
Okay, I haven't prepared for this short speech. I will give you a long speech later, but happy birthday to my amazing Ishika. Okay, thank you. Thank you all for coming and who flew all, through the United States and I see a sea of girls. Sorry boys, you are outnumbered here. Okay, Yeah, I'll talk to you later, but yeah, just
As my dad lights his candle, I would like to say a few words. Thank you so much for raising me ever since I was born, obviously. Thank you for lighting this candle. Thank you for teaching me how to ride a bike, how to, hold on. I especially want to acknowledge someone who has always been my rock and my biggest supporter, my dad. Dad, you've been there for me through everything, guiding me, cheering me on, and always believing in me. Your love and support mean the world to me, and I wouldn't be the person I am today without you. From helping me with my homework, and from our heart-to-heart talks to our fun adventures all around the world, together, you've so many wonderful memories. You've shown me that it means to be you've shown me what it means to be a strong, independent woman. And obviously, I love you. Mommy, I want to take the moment to speak about how much you mean to me. You have always been my greatest supporter, my role model, and my best friend. Your strength, kindness, and unwavering belief in me have shaped who I am today. From our late night talks to the countless times you've been my biggest cheerleader, you've shown me what it means to be a strong and compassionate woman. You taught me to believe in myself and to strive for my best. And let's not forget, I'm definitely stronger than... Are you your best friend? Yeah.
Happy birthday. Thank you so much.
Okay, I have to tell you one secret. Okay, she is exact replica of our mom, who who embraces me every day for everything. Okay.
Next, I'm inviting my sister to light the candle. We've had our fair share of ups and downs. Sometimes you drive me crazy, and we argue more than I'd like to admit. But despite all that, you're still my sister, and I tolerate you.
I am your best friend.
You're growing up, and it's not always easy to see eye to eye. We have our differences, but I hope we can continue to work on our understanding and know each other better. And according to her, I'm her best friend.
Okay, Ishika has only one enemy in her life. She is our sister. Hopefully, they will be best friends in the future.
Okay, so I'd like to say happy birthday to my sister. Also, she has said I am her best friend, so I don't know what she's talking about. I would like to just clarify that. Also, happy birthday, and you better enjoy today before I beat you up.
Next, I would like to invite my Anita Pini and Rohit Babaya. Is he coming? Anita Pini and Rohit uncle, you have always been there for me. Anita, you have stayed up late for me to do my Hindi. You have helped me so much become an amazing person today. And your love and dedication means the world to me. And I thank you enough for everything you do. And to my Rohit uncle, thank you for always treating me with kindness. You always get me the best boba like today, and take the most amazing pictures of me. Your generosity has never gone unnoticed. I'm so grateful to have you both in my life. Thank you.
Thank you. Happy birthday.
I, like my Baba, I don't have a short speech prepared, but I do have a very long speech, and I'm gonna embarrass you, sorry. My husband is too shy to talk, so I'm gonna talk on behalf of him too.
We're gonna give a speech later.
Okay. They're giving a speech later. My next candle is dedicated to my grandparents on my dad's side, my Nainama and Tata. Unfortunately, they can't be here today because they're in India. They're still watching. It's okay. Thank you for partly raising me and making such a special birthday video for me. It truly means a lot, and I cherish every moment we've spent together. Your love and support have shaped who I am today, and I can't thank you enough for that. And I love you both so much.
like to invite and my tata who's here. Right. Mama, you have always been there for me, constantly making delicious food and everything I want. Your love and care in the kitchen has always made me feel so special and loved. And to my tata, even though you're no longer with us, your memory lives on in my heart, and you were always there to teaching me how to ride a bike, spoiling me more than anyone else could ever. The lessons of love and the lessons and love you gave me are something I will always cherish. Thank you. Next, I would like to invite my dad's younger brother, Sam Masavarao. Bye-bye. Thank you for traveling to my party today. You traveled for so far. Your presence means a lot to me, and I appreciate you making this effort to be here. Let's enjoy the celebration together. My next candle is dedicated to my Hemasai Pinni and her parents, who are also my alma mater. They are also in India and can't be here today, but this candle is still dedicated to them. I want to express how much I appreciate all the effort they put into finding the perfect outfit for me, as many of you have complimented, and more are coming. They spent days searching for them, and they're definitely the right ones. Okay, my next candle is dedicated to all my friendly friends who have helped so much in the preparation of this party, and I want to invite Shruti to light this candle, as she's helped so much. She's stayed up late nights making music, helping with dances, and planning everything. So if anything's going according to plan, it's because of Shruti. Okay. I've known her since I was a little girl. She's literally my first friend. Just like that one. Okay. I've known her since I was a little girl. She's my oldest friend, and I love her a lot. She's so special. She always makes me feel so special. And it's great having her. And I also want to dedicate the candle to Harshita, Harini, and Ashta. Thank you so much for practicing with me so many weekends. And thank you for being here today. And Rukmini auntie and Oma Shankar auntie. Okay. Okay. Supported me. Thank you for everything you've done. Speeches, dances, insulting me. Anyway, the candle is dedicated to you. Thanks for being here. Okay, and my next candle is to everyone who has traveled from all over the states. Thank you so much for coming from Maryland, Virginia, Texas, and whatever. Sorry if I forgot them. Tampa. Okay, many more U.S. states. Thank you so much for being here and coming all that way to support today. Thank you so much. All the local friends, the ones who live in, thank you for coming out today. Thank you for dressing up so early. It's and I'm dedicating a candle to them. Already said that. Especially Harini, Ashta, and Harita.
Okay. My last candle is dedicated to someone very special, me. Today is my special day, and I want to thank all of you for being here to celebrate with me. Your kind words, thoughtful wishes, and presents have made this day unforgettable. I'm truly grateful for each one of you, and feel so lucky to have amazing friends and family by my side. So here's to celebrate not just today, but the wonderful connections and memories we share. Great memories.
Let's give her a round of applause.
We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true. Happy, happy birthday. Oh,
This is your birthday song.
celebration all night long.
May all your dreams come true.
We sing all together. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday celebration. Party night, could feel the vibration. Lights are bright, we're feeling alright. We're dancing till the morning light. Happy birthday celebration. Everybody get the temptation. Once again, this is your night, and everyone feels right.
Happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true. We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true. Happy, happy birthday.
This is your birthday song.
Celebration all night long.
May all your dreams come true.
We sing all together. Happy birthday to you.
It's a perfect motivation. Feel the vibe, enjoy the fascination. All your friends are here tonight. Happy anniversary, we hold you tight. It's a perfect situation. Hale and hard, what a combination. Once again, this is your night, and everyone feels right.
Happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true. Happy birthday. We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, we sing to you. May all your dreams come true. Happy birthday.
दरवाजे को कुंडी मारो, कोई ना बच के जाने पाए। डीजे को समझा दो, म्यूजिक गलती से भी रुक ना जाए। दगा दगा जो फील करे वो जाके दो रेड बुल गटक ले। जिसको डांस नहीं करना वो जाके अपनी भैंस चराए।
बस आज की रात है, कल से वही से आपे है। जी भर के नाच लो, ना घर वाले ना मापे हैं। जब पे अपना राज है, डरने की क्या बात है। ये तो बस शुरुआत है, ये तो बस शुरुआत है।
अरे अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है। अरे अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है।
ये तो बस शुरुआत है।
बाद में ना कहना कुछ भी, पहले ही दे दूं वार्निंग। पार्टी चलेगी till 6 in the morning। जी भर के ना चले वे भी नाच नाच के तोड़ दे सैंडल आंटी पुलिस।
Hi. Okay, so really quick, we're just going to have 2 dance performances done. The first one is going to be with Ishika's friends, her sister, and Ishika. So let's welcome all of them to perform their dance.
संतरे की टोकरी, घर तो छुड़वाया, अब क्या छुड़ाएगी नौकरी।
रोमियो रोमियो कल के रोमियो भोली शक्ल वाले सारे के सारे परे पियो रोमियो रोमियो भाड़ के प्रेमियो काहे गले पड़े हो बिन बुलाए बारातियों
ले तो गई कलेजा संग में अमर ले जा ये तो चोरी पे है सीना चोरी कभी लगे मोनालिसा कभी कभी लगे लोनीटा और कभी जैसे कादम्बरी हाय मेरी परम 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 सुंदरी हाय मेरी परम 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 सुंदरी
सर से पैर तलक बेतहाशा हुस्न से भरी
हाय मेरी परम 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 सुंदरी
छूना नहीं छूना छूना नहीं छूना छूना नहीं मुझको ए होना नहीं होना होना नहीं तेरी होना नहीं मुझको हाथ जोड़ चाहे पाँव पर परवाह नहीं मुझको ना 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 ना
settle it down.
तेरे संग यारा अख लड़ने लगी, अख लड़ लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी। तेरे संग यारा अख लड़ने लगी, अख लड़ लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी। ओ तेरे दिल के इशारे ये तो पढ़ने लगी, लड़ लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी। ओ मुंडा जिद पे अड़ा, ओ तेरे पीछे पड़ा, ओ मुंडा जिद पे अड़ा, तेरे पीछे पड़ा, मेरे नाल कर ले जरा। दिल देना दिल लेना, दिल देना दिल लेना, है सौदा, है सौदा, है सौदा, है सौदा, है सौदा, है सौदा।
हाय चक्का चक है तू, हाय चक्का चक हूँ मैं। हाय चक्का चक है तू, हाय चक्का चक हूँ मैं। टपकती दोपहर सी लड़की की लहर सी, मेरी जैसी चाहिए तेरे जैसे को। फूलों वाली डाली भी हो, चुम्मा भी हो, गाली भी हो, बोलो कैसी चाहिए तेरे जैसे को। पलंग टूटता पहली रात, सारा मोहल्ला करता बात। हुई शोर में बरसात, कौन वहाँ था किसके साथ। हाय चक्का चक है तू, हाय चक्का चक हूँ मैं। हाय चक्का चक है तू, हाय चक्का चक हूँ मैं।
Because a lot of people have put a lot of time and effort into them, so we really appreciate you guys staying for this. And now we're just going to resume the family pictures because we know a lot of people had to leave. So yeah, we're gonna have Ishka get back up on stage, and then we will have 2 more performances after the pictures.
लम्मे लम्मे सिल्की जे वाल, ओ कुड़ी कौन नचदी जिदी कमर ते टैटू है कमाल। ओ कुड़ी कौन नचदी जिदे लम्मे लम्मे सिल्की जे वाल। ओ कुड़ी कौन नचदी जिदी कमर ते टैटू है कमाल। ओ कुड़ी कौन नचदी
तेरे उत्ते आया मेरा की कसूर, लब तेरे नाल पाया मेरा की कसूर।
साडे बारे दस तेरा की ख्याल, ओ कुड़ी कौन नचदी एक लख दा ए नखरा है तेरा नी, स्वैग सारी दुनिया तो वखरा है तेरा नी। एक लख दा ए नखरा है तेरा नी, स्वैग सारी दुनिया तो वखरा है तेरा रे। करके है क्लब च बवाल, ओ कुड़ी कौन नचदी ओ जिदे लम्मे लम्मे सिल्की जे वाल। ओ
ਹੋਗੀ 1 2 2 ਉਹ ਕੁੜੀਏ what to do ਉਹ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦੀ ਪਤੰਗਾਂ ਵਰਗੀ ਤੂੰ ਐਵੇਂ ਉੱਡਦੀ ਉਹ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦੀ ਹਿੱਲਾਂ ਤੇ ਚੱਲਦੀ ਟੁਕ ਟੁਕ ਤੂੰ ਕਰਦੀ ਮੇਕਅਪ ਤੂੰ ਕਰਦੀ ਆ ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ੀ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਗਿਟ ਪਿਟ ਤੂੰ ਕਰਦੀ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕੁਈਨ ਸਾਡੀ ਵਿਕਟੋਰੀਆ ਤੂੰ ਕੈਂਟੀ ਬਿਗ ਬੈਨ ਦੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਠੁਮਕਦਾ ਉਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਨੱਚੇ ਪੈਣ ਦੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਠੁਮਕਦਾ ਤੂੰ ਕੈਂਟੀ ਬਿਗ ਬੈਨ ਦੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਠੁਮਕਦਾ ਉਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਨੱਚੇ ਪੈਣ ਦੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਠੁਮਕਦਾ ਲਾਊਡ ਸਪੀਕਰ ਤੇ ਮਾਡੋਨਾ ਵੱਜਦੀ ਉਹ ਲਾਈਕੇ ਵਰਜ਼ਨ ਇੱਥੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਰਫੈਲ ਘਰ ਤੇ ਕਬੂਤਰ ਵਰਗੀ ਉਹ ਮੇਮਾ ਫਿਰਦੀ ਗੁਲਾਬੀ ਸ਼ੇਡ ਦਾ ਰੰਗ ਹੈ ਫਿਰੰਗੀ ਰੱਖੀ ਤੂੰ ਸਾਂਭ ਕੇ ਆ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਲੱਗਦਾ 100 ਸਾਲ ਤੋਂ ਚੰਗੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਵਧੀਆ ਤੂੰ ਘੰਟੀ ਬਿਗ ਬੈਨ ਦੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਠੁਮਕਦਾ ਉਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਨੱਚੇ ਭੈਣ ਦੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਠੁਮਕਦਾ ਤੂੰ ਘੰਟੀ ਬਿਗ ਬੈਨ ਦੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਠੁਮਕਦਾ ਉਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਨੱਚੇ ਭੈਣ ਦੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਠੁਮਕਦਾ ਸਿਰ ਤੇ ਗਿਲਾਸੀ ਰੱਖ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਸਟਾਈਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਲੱਸੀ ਦਾ ਗਿਲਾਸ ਖਿੱਚ
చప్పున
గుప్పిలో దాటుతున్న గుట్టు గుప్పు మంది కవిస్తే కట్టు తప్పున
అందాల ఆడబొమ్మ ఎంత బాగుంది ముద్దు గుమ్మ
అట్టాగా చూడకమ్మ కందిపోతుంది కన్నె జన్మ
We have our birthday girl and daddy, her father, who prepared a beautiful dance for us. So let's see that really quick too. Amazing performances by our host and hostess and our birthday girl. Woo! Okay, so now we have an open dance floor and we're gonna start with a very famous song by our DJ Thiru. Woo! Well,
जाओ सारे मूड बना के पूछो तो थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के All the Rajni fans don't miss the chance All the Rajni fans don't miss the chance